My video guide will help you to remove the new adware type application that now attacks many Mac computers. The adware type program is called AssessmentBranded. AssessmentBranded is a special adware that is actually the part of the AdLoad adware family. Once installed into the Mac computers, the adware starts displaying the huge number of intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that people actually visit. This adware is spread through fake software or browser update alerts, and it may also be integrated with some free programs. So, in many cases, people download and install this adware absolutely unintentionally. This is why it is also fairly considered to be the potentially unwanted program. If you have found this AssessmentBranded adware on your Mac, you need to remove it immediately. So, through Finder, check your applications, look for this application called AssessmentBranded, then right-click on it and move it to the trash. Actually, this adware attacks Safari browser primarily, so after you remove it from this applications list, it will also be removed from Safari. But my strong recommendation is that you additionally investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, wait until it updates its anti-malware database, and begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.